Now we're going to create an Xtranormal account. So you're going to go up here and click on Create Account. You're going to use the same username that you've been using for everything else, and the same email address as well. Make sure you use the same password. Type in the letters that you see, and then hit Submit. Now you're going to click on Make Movies. Now Xtranormal has recently started charging for this web-based application, but when you sign up you get 300 points. And you can also click over here and invite friends, or let's say you have another email address, you can send an invitation to your other email address and you get points for that. And then once you buy the characters in the setting, they're yours to use for however many characters or however many cartoons that you want to create. So then you just pick some characters that you want. So I'm going to click this one. Want 2 actors. And it will tell you up here how many points you're going to use. Okay. And you're going to pick the scene that you want, and see how it's got dollar signs? This means that this is cheaper than the scene that has $2 signs. Let's see what this looks like. So I want this to be my scene, or my set. Click on your actors, and if you look down here, so I want to replace this with that. Click on this one, and I want to replace him with him. So it shows you what your set looks like, and then your characters, what they look like as well. And for your voice, you can click on here and you can choose different accents. Well, let's see what this sounds like.
Okay. Who's got the answer? Anyone? Anyone?
And you can just click on different ones and see which one you like the best. Okay, maybe that won't work. Let's try another one.
He descubierto el nuevo mundo.
Well, this would work very well for Mr. McDonald. And then once you pick your voices, go back up, and now you can pick your sounds. And you can listen. Now this is more like an office. So let's try a lounge. Yeah, that's better. However, I want mine to be kind of like a commercial. So I am going to go down here to music background, and I'm going to click on the blues. Now I have already started my story to save some time on here, as you can tell. So what I did is we already picked our settings and our character and our sounds. So I started into the dialog box and I started typing in what I wanted each of my characters to say. Now you'll notice that this is kind of shaded. That means that this character is going to talk first. Look down here at this one. This character will talk next. And the way that I get these boxes, let me scoot all the way down here. And let's say that I wanted another box. All I do is click on the plus sign, and now it will be this character's turn to talk again. But I am finished, so I'm going to remove that one. Let's go back up. And you will notice the camera, the motions, faces. This means that the character will turn and look directly into the camera. Points, pauses, sounds. Look at all the different cameras and motions and everything that I have in each box. There's several. So this Xtranormal is time consuming. It takes quite a while to create one of these things. Now let me show you how it's done. All you do is you take your, like this is a camera angle, and you drag it into your box wherever you want it to go. And now this is the girl, this is character A, so we've got to go through and it will show you the different poses. So this is character A, this is character B. So when you are creating your angles, make sure that whatever character is speaking, you have the camera angle on that character. See? And then you just click apply and it pops up. And you can do the same thing with the motions. And you can click on the play button and it will show you what it does. That's a little dramatic. Okay, let's do something really simple. Hands in front. That's good. So I'm going to hit apply. Now, I want you to look very carefully at what happened. It ended up separating my word. You've got to pay very close attention to this so that you can move it over, or when they go to create you actually speak the dialogue, it's going to mess up the pronunciation of your word. So make sure you do not separate and cut your words in half. Now let's say that you put something in here and let me click that, and you decide you do not want it after all. All you have to do is backspace and voila, it takes it off. Now, once you have created your entire dialogue, you've added in all your camera angles, all your motions, all your facial expressions, everything else, you can click over here and you can preview it. And it does take several minutes, well, not several, it does take about 2 to 3 minutes for it to get loaded and shoot the movie. So I'll stop for a second so you don't have to wait through the whole thing. Okay, now you can press the play button.
Welcome to Xtranormal. We are going to show you how you can create a cartoon using all of your research that you found on your topic.
Xtranormal now charges for the use of their website. However, when you sign up, Xtranormal gives you 300 points to buy characters and settings and to publish your movie. If you invite other friends.
Okay, so this way you can preview your entire cartoon to see if it's exactly the way that you want it. And if not, then all you do is stop it and then click over here and change whatever you want to. You can continue on and edit and everything else. Now let's say that you just want to hear your dialogue box. You want to see how this box works by itself. You can click this and it will do the same thing. It's going to load, so it takes a few seconds but not half as long.
Welcome to Xtranormal. We are going to show you how you can create a cartoon using all of your...
So it will play just this box here. And it, like I said, it does take a couple of seconds to load it all up, but not nearly as long as it does to actually preview all of it. Now, this is okay. This is enough for me. So I am ready to now publish this. Now, let's say that you are working on it, and like I said, this is time consuming, so let's say that you're working on it for quite a while and you're getting tired. You can just hit the save button and come back to it later. Actually, let me show you that now. And okay, we had just saved our project. So let's say that you had worked on it for a while, you got tired, you saved it, and now it's the next day and you go back and you want to work on it some more. And you're looking at it and you're going, oh no, where's it at? Okay, don't panic. It's right here. You click in progress and click continue editing and it will pull up. Now, I am pretty much finished, so I want to now publish it. So I'm going to click on the publish button, and I'm just going to call it CSP Extra Normal. And please, please, please do not put anything inappropriate in any of these projects, because if that happens, our web-based applications will be taken away, and these are too great and too much fun to not be able to use. And then I'm going to click publish. And I am going to click, this is how many points it is taking, or I'm spending. These are the points that I'm spending. And I am going to check out, and we have just created our first cartoon. Great job, everyone. I hope you have fun with this.